If your microphone isn't working in Google Chrome, don't worry, this is a common issue. In this video, I will walk you through step-by-step solutions to fix it. Let's start with the simplest solutions and work our way to more advanced fixes. First, let's check if Chrome has permission to use your microphone. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Site Settings. Scroll down to Microphone and ensure it's set to Sites can ask you to use your microphone. Next, check if the specific site you're using has microphone access. Click the icon in the address bar, then Site Settings. Under Permissions, ensure microphone is set to Allow. If it's blocked, change it to Allow. Now let's test your microphone in Chrome. Type Chrome Settings Content Microphone in the address bar and press Enter. Ensure your microphone is selected and working properly. If Chrome still can't detect your microphone, let's check your system settings. Right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar and select Sounds. Go to Recording tab, select your microphone, and click Properties. Ensure it's enabled and set as the default device. On Mac, go to System Settings, click Sound, then Input, and ensure your microphone is selected and the input volume is adjusted. An outdated version of Chrome can also cause microphone issues, so let's update it. Click the three dots, go to Help, and select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and it will install it. Sometimes extensions can also interfere with Chrome's microphone access. Let's disable them temporarily. Go to Settings, click Extensions, and turn off all extensions. Restart Chrome and check if the microphone works. If it does, re-enable extensions one by one to identify which one causes the problem. If none of the above solutions work, let's reset Chrome to its default settings. Go to Settings, scroll down to Reset Settings, and click Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm the reset and Chrome will restart with default settings. Finally, ensure your microphone hardware is working properly. Test it with another application or device to roll out hardware issues. If the microphone works elsewhere, the issue is likely with Chrome. If not, consider replacing or repairing your microphone. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the microphone not working issue in Google Chrome. If the problem persists, consider reinstalling Chrome or consulting a tech expert. If this video helped with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.